Are you looking for the best Canon cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best Canon cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS R5 is one of the best cameras ever made. It is the epitome of camera technology and will make you rethink what cameras are capable of today. Canon's flagship mirrorless camera packs some class-leading specs, such as a sensational 45MP sensor with a powerful Digic-X image processor and a new low-pass filter for exceptionally detailed and lifelike stills. That isn't all. It has the same state-of-the-art autofocus system as the EOS 1DX Mark III, with a mind-boggling 5,940 AF points for photography and 4,500 for video. Combined with a deep learning AI and 5-axis image stabilizer, the EOS R5 can recognize and trace objects with unmatched levels of accuracy and precision. Number 2. Canon IXUS 185. The Canon IXUS is a family of simple point-and-shoot cameras that is popular among first-timers and those buying a camera for personal use. While it does not have fancy features such as full-frame image quality, 4K video recording, viewfinder, and interchangeable lenses, it does a great job capturing images and is definitely worth an upgrade over a smartphone camera. In a stylish frame, it features a 20.0MP sensor with 8x optical zoom stretching to a 28-224mm range, which is better than most cameras in its class. The IXUS 185 also has an easy auto mode that picks the perfect camera settings for every shot, which is especially useful for beginners. The image and video quality are just as you would expect from an entry-level camera, but you couldn't ask for more at this price point. Number 3. Canon PowerShot G9X Mark III. The Canon PowerShot G9X II is proof that sometimes less can be more. Despite its diminutive frame, the camera does not compromise on features and image quality. It packs a 1-inch CMOS sensor around 4 times the size of the 2.3-inch sensor in a smartphone, resulting in better dynamic range, color production, and unrivaled image quality in a camera this compact. The Canon PowerShot G9X II is the perfect travel companion, equipped with a large sensor and f2.4.9 lens that ensures brilliant shots and smart sharing capabilities that let you shoot remotely and save and share files online instantly. It is of incredible value, capable of shooting professional-level stills on a budget, and the manual controls for DSLR-like creativity make it one of our favorites. Number 4. Canon EOS RP. The Canon EOS RP brings the best of a full-frame mirrorless camera into a small, lightweight body. It is a real game-changer in the budget mirrorless camera segment. Even for beginners, it is easy to use, but the compact frame can sometimes make the camera feel overbalanced, especially with larger frames. It has a 26MP sensor, dual-pixel CMOS AF, and Digic-8 processor that does a great job at capturing pictures and 4K videos even in incredibly low light conditions. The EOS RP is compatible with Canon DSLR lenses alongside the newer RF lenses via an adapter, so you always have more creative options if you want better results. Number 5. Canon EOS REBEL SL3. The Canon EOS REBEL SL3 is one of the brand's most affordable DSLRs. It builds on the EOS REBEL SL2's legacy to offer a professional-level photography experience on a budget. Despite being an entry-level device, it is packed with premium features, making it one of the best DSLRs for beginners. It boasts of Canon's top-of-the-line APS-C sensor with 24.1MP of resolution that can capture high-resolution photos and videos with fine details and dynamic, rich colors every time. The Canon EOS REBEL SL3 has a dedicated time-lapse movie mode that makes it simple to create stunning 4K videos.